For the past few days, I've been making update videos about Hurricane Genevieve, mainly because of its intensity and its forecast impacts on land. Both of these factors are still big issues, so I'm making another one today. As always, I would appreciate if you would like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to stay tuned for future content. So, what's changed since yesterday? For one, it appears Genevieve's intensity peaked at a low-end Category 4 and has been gradually weakening since then. That's good, but on the other hand, it briefly moved straight north. Because of this, the cone of uncertainty for the storm is now a lot closer to the Baja Peninsula, and while a direct landfall on it is unlikely, it is possible that the eye wall of the storm will move over its western coast. Now, something I don't think I've mentioned in this channel yet is the fact that in a hurricane, the winds are actually strongest in the eye wall. This means that parts of the peninsula not only have a chance to see hurricane-force winds, small areas might see winds on par with a high-end Category 2 or even low-end Category 3 hurricane. Keep in mind, however, that the eye wall moving over the peninsula is the worst-case scenario, and the storm is more likely to stay a bit further offshore. But what will the intensity forecast look like? Well, the storm is currently a Category 3 hurricane, and that is forecast to stay for the next day or so. After that, the storm will start weakening at the rate of roughly 1 category per day until it's only a tropical storm by the weekend. Meanwhile, the storm will start fairly close to the peninsula, but will slowly move offshore as it weakens. As a result, the only people who really need to worry are the residents on the far southern reaches of the peninsula. People further north will see fewer impacts. Speaking of impacts, what should we expect? I already mentioned the possibility of major hurricane-force winds on the peninsula, but again, that's the worst-case scenario. More likely, we'll be seeing tropical storm-force winds in most of the region, with areas on the west coast seeing low-end Category 1 winds. As a result of this, the NHC has issued a tropical storm warning for most of the area. In addition to the wind, people there can expect heavy rain from the storm. Again, the further north you go, the less severe impacts become. However, strong waves could crash on the coast as far north as Southern California. With that, that's all there is to this storm at the moment. As always, I would appreciate if you would like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to stay tuned for future content. Thanks, and have a great day.